How to add a logo to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add a logo and favicon to your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple steps. So first you have to log into your Shopify dashboard and then you will be in this admin dashboard. Now you can navigate to online store here. You can click on it on the left side of your screen and go to themes. After that, as you can see, this is your theme. And now you can click edit theme here. After that, you will be redirected to your website editor. This is my website editor, as you can see. Now, if you want to change or add a logo to your Shopify store, you can go to settings, theme setting here. As you can see, there is a logo and favicon. You can click on it. And as you can see, you have three options here. So you can upload a default logo, and then the inverse logo, and then the favicon. So basically, if you already have a logo, you can just click select here, or you can explore free images if you want. Maybe you want to just, testing or something like that. You can choose the image from here, or you can upload the image. So let's say I'm gonna upload image. So I don't have an image yet. You can just click upload here, and then you can upload your logo, maybe this one, just for example. So it's loading, it's uploading. After that, you can click it and then click done. So click it and click done. And then it will upload your logo. So this is the logo. So it appears in my website. So this is just for example, and basically you can edit image if you want. So you can, maybe you want to crop and transport, maybe resize. So let's say crop, maybe make it square or like this. Then click apply and just like that and click save. And it's saving. Wait a second. Now it's done. You can also download it if you want. Now you can go back and then you can upload the inverse logo and then also the uh, favicon, and also you can change the desktop height and mobile height. You can customize it. So I think that's it, how to upload or add a logo to your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.